little peek inside. Simple yes or no questions, and you can also target 1, 2, or 3 word utterances, or more if you would like. Each page is going to be set up the same, with looking out a window at a different tree and a different animal. So let's see, what is that in the tree? It's a bird. Does that bird belong in a tree? Yes. So for people just working on yes no questions, you could use these Boom interactive answers, or if you're working on AAC, I would suggest answering yes or no on the device. Oh, what is this? What? That is a bear in a tree. Does a bear belong in a tree? No, it doesn't. Bear in tree, or bear, or I see bear, if you're doing AAC. Oh, what is that? That's a bird. I think yes, a bird belongs in a tree. Yes, bird in tree. Let's see one more. Let's see. Oh, bear. Oh my gosh, no. Bears do not belong in trees. No. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.